Electric Vehicle Specialist Job Role, Practical Experience Guidelines and AI Contribution. Imagine a future where every drive is powered by sustainable energy. As an electric vehicle specialist, you're not just building vehicles, you're crafting a cleaner, smarter world. Join this transformative field and accelerate the transition to a greener future. From mastering battery technology to integrating cutting-edge autonomous systems, your expertise drives tomorrow's mobility. The road ahead starts here. Job description. Electric vehicle specialists are experts in the development, maintenance, and optimization of electric vehicles, EVs. They bridge engineering and technology to design sustainable mobility solutions, ensure EV performance, also support the adoption of green energy practices. Industry profile. The electric vehicle industry is at the forefront of the global shift towards sustainable energy, with advancements in battery technology, autonomous driving, and smart charging infrastructure. The demand for skilled professionals is soaring across automotive, energy, also software sectors. Key responsibilities. Battery technology. Research and develop energy-efficient, also sustainable battery solutions. EV systems integration. Design and integrate EV components like motors, inverters, as well as energy storage systems. Performance optimization. Analyze vehicle performance along with implement enhancements for efficiency. Sustainability practices. Develop strategies for recycling EV components, including reducing carbon footprints. Autonomous features. Collaborate on integrating AI-driven autonomous driving systems. Customer support. Provide technical support and training to EV users and dealers. At a glance. Your interest. Passion for green energy and advanced automotive technology. Entry qualification. Degree in electrical/mechanical engineering or a related field. Lifestyle. A mix of office, laboratory, also workshop settings with opportunities for remote collaboration. Location. Major automotive hubs, renewable energy firms, as well as R&D centers. The realities. Fast-paced and innovation-driven industry with frequent technology updates. Soft skills guide. Team collaboration with multidisciplinary professionals. Strong leadership for guiding technical teams and influencing stakeholders. Analytical mindset for designing, also testing EV systems. Advanced IT as well as software skills for simulation along with system optimization. Commercial awareness to align technological innovation with market needs. Career path. Trainee. Develop foundational skills in EV technologies. Junior engineer. Assist in designing EV components and systems. Systems engineer. Lead the integration of EV powertrains, also charging infrastructure. Senior engineer. Specialize in battery or autonomous vehicle systems. Project manager. Oversee EV development projects. Technical consultant. Advise on sustainable mobility solutions. R&D director. Drive innovation as well as future trends in EV technology. Related careers. Battery engineer, focus on developing efficient battery technologies. Autonomous driving engineer, work on integrating AI for self-driving cars. Energy systems manager, manage charging infrastructure and renewable energy integration. Automotive software developer, develop control systems and EV diagnostics software. Sustainability analyst, ensure compliance with environmental, also energy standards. Here is a list of practical experiences essential for an electric vehicle EV specialist, along with strategies for learning them using the latest or updated technology. Battery management systems, BMS. Practical experience. Designing and optimizing BMS for efficient energy use, also safety. Troubleshooting battery-related issues. How to learn. Enroll in courses on EV battery technology, e.g., on Coursera, edX, or Udemy. Use simulation tools like MATLAB/Simulink to model battery systems. Work on hands-on projects with Li-ion battery kits. Attend workshops by battery manufacturers, e.g., CATL, Panasonic. Electric motor design and control. Practical experience. Develop and maintain electric motors used in EVs, e.g., BLDC, induction motors. Understand torque, efficiency, also thermal management. How to learn. Study motor control algorithms as well as hardware integration through online platforms. Utilize software like ANSYS MotorCAD for design along with simulation. Participate in internships with EV manufacturers. EV powertrain integration. Practical experience. Assembling and calibrating components such as inverters, motors, also batteries. Optimizing the entire powertrain for performance as well as efficiency. How to learn. Use platforms like Simulink or SolidWorks for EV powertrain simulations. Take specialized courses in automotive engineering focusing on EVs. Join academic or professional EV research groups to gain hands-on experience. Charging infrastructure development. Practical experience. Designing and deploying fast charging systems. Implementing smart charging with renewable energy integration. How to learn. Learn through courses on renewable energy, also grid systems. Explore software like Homer Grid for renewable as well as grid interaction modeling. Participate in live projects with charging network companies like ChargePoint. Autonomous driving systems. Practical experience. Collaborate on integrating sensors, LiDAR, cameras, and AI systems. Work on safety protocols for autonomous EVs. How to learn. Master machine learning, also computer vision tools, e.g., TensorFlow, OpenCV. Work on datasets like Kitty for autonomous driving research. Thermal management systems. Practical experience. Design and optimize systems for managing heat in EV batteries, also powertrains. How to learn. Study thermal engineering principles specific to EV applications. Use CFD, computational fluid dynamics, tools like ANSYS Fluent for simulations. Gain hands-on experience through R&D projects or internships. Vehicle-to-grid, V2G, technology. Practical experience. Develop systems for EVs to share energy with the grid or other devices. How to learn. Explore courses on smart grids and energy storage. Research also experiments with V2G solutions in collaboration with energy companies. Engage with IoT platforms for real-time energy monitoring. Software development for EVs. Practical experience. Build software for EV diagnostics, performance tracking and user interfaces. How to learn. Learn programming languages such as Python, C++, or MATLAB. Develop proficiency in CAN, Controller Area Network, protocol. Work on projects using Raspberry Pi or Arduino to simulate EV software systems. Sustainability and recycling of EV components. Practical experience. Implement practices for recycling EV batteries and other components. How to learn. Study sustainability, also environmental impact courses. Collaborate with recycling initiatives or research labs focusing on EV waste management. Data analytics and predictive maintenance. Practical experience. Use data analytics for predictive maintenance and performance optimization. How to learn. Learn data analytics tools like Tableau, R, or Python. Experiment with IoT sensors for real-time diagnostics. Participate in projects that integrate AI for maintenance prediction. These experiences will prepare you for the evolving role of an electric vehicle specialist. Let me know if you'd like resources or detailed guidance on any of these. AI contribution to autonomous transformation for electric vehicle specialists. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.